Okay, moving further, we come to question number 14. Now, in this case, you are having I is equal to integral cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus sin 2x dx. Okay, now what you have to do in this case? Okay, see, consider this 1 plus sin 2x. Okay, this 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Okay, and this 1 can be written as cos square x plus sin square x. Okay, so we can write this 1 plus sin 2x as, instead of 1 we can write the identity cos square x plus sin square x, and for 2x we can write this as 2 sin x cos x. So this will be I is equal to integral. In the numerator you are having cos x minus sin x upon, in the denominator you get cos square x plus sin square x plus 2 sin x cos x dx. This leads to integral. In the numerator you are having cos x minus sin x upon, in the denominator you are having sin x plus cos x bracket square dx. ये सीधे सीधे आपका cos x plus sin x bracket square हो जाएगा. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so this gives you sin x plus cos x bracket square. Okay, now further, derivative of this sin is cos present here, and derivative of this cos, positive cos, is minus sin which is present here. So put sin x plus cos of x equal to t. This gives you derivative sin is cos of x and derivative cos is minus sin x. This is equal to dt by dx, and this gives you cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt. This gives you I is equal to integral. In the numerator you will have dt because cos x minus sin x dx. This is dt upon t square. Can be written as integral t raised to minus 2 dt. This gives you t raised to minus 1 upon minus 1 plus constant, and this gives you minus this minus sign 1 upon t raised to minus 1 मतलब t denominator में आ जाएगा. And what is t? It is sin x plus cos x plus constant. This will be the answer. बहुत ही सिंपल है. sin 2x की जगह पे 2 sin x cos x आएगा और 1 की जगह पे cos square x plus sin square x आ जाएगा. Okay, and then just simplify it. You get cos x plus sin x bracket square, और cos x plus sin x को t पुट अप करना है. न्यूमरेटर में इसका डेरिवेटिव प्रेजेंट है. ओके, मूविंग टू दिस वन. ओके, आई थिंक आई हैव टेकन द प्रॉब्लम रॉन्ग. आई थिंक जस्ट अ मिनट. इट इज 10 cube 2x. yes, it is 10 cube 2x. okay, now how to solve this? This equal to integral. You can write this as 10 square 2x into 10 of 2x into sec 2x dx. okay, now for sec, the derivative of sec is sec x tan x. If you are having sec x, then its derivative will be sec x tan x. okay, so what we will do, we will write this tan square x as sec square 2x minus 1 into tan 2x into sec 2x dx. Then put sec 2x equal to t. Derivative of sec is sec 2x into tan 2x into 2. This is equal to dt by dx. सबसे पहला डेरिवेटिव ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन sec का which is sec x tan x, and then the derivative angle 2x. 2x का डेरिवेटिव 2 मल्टीप्लाई होगा क्योंकि हम डेरिवेटिव फाइंड कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, नाउ सी दिस tan x 2x और sec x मीन्स sec x tan x dx. ये सब यहाँ पे है, तो ये sec 2x ये रहा इंटू tan 2x ये रहा इंटू dx ये रहा. दिस इज इक्वल टू dt by 2. दिस इज इक्वल टू मीन्स I इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रल sec स्क्वायर 2x. sec 2x को हमने t पुट अप किया है, सो दिस इज t स्क्वायर माइनस 1 एंड दिस इज dt by 2. दिस गिव्स यू 1 by 2. इंटीग्रल ऑफ t स्क्वायर गिव्स यू t क्यूब by 3 माइनस t प्लस कॉन्स्टेंट. दिस गिव्स यू 2 3 is 6, 1 by 6 sec cube 2x minus 1 by 2 sec 2. 2 3 is 6, you get 1 by 6 sec cube 2x minus ये minus sign 1 by 2 multiply with 3, you get 1 by 2 sec 2x plus c. This is the answer. Coming to this question, cos 2x प्लस 2 साइन स्क्वायर एक्स अपॉन कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, बहुत ही सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है। यू आर हैविंग दिस फॉर्मूला ऑफ cos 2 थीटा, cos 2 theta, or if you want you can directly take as 2x. Cos 2x, this is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, you are having this formula. Okay, now this cos 2x, if we take 2 sin square x to this side, this gives you 1. Okay, मतलब न्यूमेटर सीधे सीधे आपका 1 है, nothing else. Okay, what do you get? I is equal to integral cos 2x plus 2 sin square x, this is 1 upon cos square x dx. We are using this formula. This is integral sec square x dx, and this is tan of x plus constant. Integral of sec square x is tan x, because derivative of tan x is sec square x. Okay, clear? So in this case, we use the identity, we use the formula of sin 2 theta, we converted it into sin x plus cos x bracket square, और फिर sin x plus cos x को t put up किया, simplify it. In this case, you are having tan cube, we converted it into tan square into tan, we are having sec into tan, which is the derivative of sec, तो tan square को हमने sec square x minus 1 में convert किया, and then we substitute sec as t. And in this case, we use the formula, this one, cos 2x, it is 1 minus 2 sin square x. So cos 2x plus 2 sin square x gives you 1. न्यूमेटर सीधे सीधे 1 हो जाएगा, 1 upon cos square x आपका sec square x हो गया, and integral of sec square x is tan x. Okay, please note it down.